Hello students, so through this session we are starting with a new story. This is the fifth chapter of your book It So Happened, Princess September. As it is clear with the name only, this is the story of a princess. And September is the name actually given on the name of the months only. Because the father of Princess September had 12 daughters and they were having their names on the names of months. So we'll start with the story of Princess September. So it is given in the beginning only a few points regarding the story, that Princess September, like each one of her numerous sisters, receives the gift of a parrot in a golden cage on her father's birthday. So actually her father was there, who was in habit that he used to give gifts instead of taking on his birthday. So likewise he had given a parrot to everyone and to his daughters also on his birthday. But the parrot of that Princess September, it dies because of some reason, and a singing bird that replaces the parrot. And the story is actually about not only Princess September but about that singing bird also. So the Princess September show off her pet to the sisters, also to her sisters, and they grew jealous. Then what did they do when they were thinking so that their parrots were not that much enchanting as the singing bird was, and how they grew jealous, what did they do? So this story is all about. We'll try to do at least half of the story in this session, and then we'll continue with this story only in the further lectures. So let's start with this. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters, and the queen said that it confused her to have to remember so many names. One day the king decided to call them January, February, March, and of course like that only, till he came to the youngest, whom he called September. So actually there were 9 daughters, and the queen of Siam was there. Actually she was not able to remember the names of so many daughters, so that's why they thought that they will keep their names on the names of months only. So the youngest daughter was Princess September, and rest you know that their names were like January, February, March, April, like that only. So this was all about. A textual questions are there further, that why their names were on these name of the months only. So like that you can give the answer of that because the queen got confused for and remembering the names of so many daughters, so that's why they decided that they will keep their names on the names of months. Now further, it is given in the second paragraph. The king of Siam had a peculiar habit. Instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, he gave them. So that I had already discussed you when few points were given in the beginning only. So Siam actually is the place in Thailand right now. So this is the story of that place. So here the king of Siam is there. He had a very special, a very peculiar habit, and that what was that habit? That he used to give gifts instead of taking on his birthday. One year on his birthday, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughter a green parrot in a golden cage. So one year what happened, that he decided that he will give his daughters a parrot in a golden cage. And then he did so, and he had given a parrot in a golden cage to each of his daughter. The princes were very proud of their parrots, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. So you know that parrots can actually talk the human language. So actually those all princes were very happy to receive this gift, and they actually got busy in teaching their parrots something like that, because the parrot, you know that they can speak the human language. So like that only they started teaching their parrots. Presently, all the parrots could say, "Good save the king, God save the king," and some of them could say, "Pretty Polly," in no less than 7 oriented languages. So see the speciality of the parrots, that they can speak at least 7 languages. And what 2 particular sentences they used to repeat in 7 languages? One is God save the king. This is another textual question. That's why I'm telling you God save the king. And the second one is pretty Polly. Like these two sentences they used to speak in 7 different languages. Now further it is given here. But one day when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. So this line also we had just read in the beginning of the chapter only, that Princess September parrot had died. So likewise they are saying that one day she went to her parrot to say good morning, and what did actually she find there? She found that the parrot was now died. It was just lying in the bottom of the cage only. She burst into flood of tears, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. So as she was the youngest one, so it actually hurt her a lot, and she started crying. And then every maid, whoever was present there, they were trying to stop and they were trying to console her, but now she was continuously crying because of her dying parrot. She cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen, and the queen said it was stuff and nonsense, and the child had better to party, so that but put Princess September to bed as quickly as they could and left her by herself. So the maids, they went to the queen and then they told the queen everything, that why Princess September was crying. Now further, what was the reaction of the queen? She just started getting angry, and then she said that it's just a nonsense that you are crying after a parrot only. And then she said to the maids that it will be just consoled itself only, just let the princess on her own. And like that only, they had just provided some supper, some dinner to the princess, and then they were just thinking that it will just go away like that. Slowly, gradually she will forget about the parrot, but actually it doesn't happen. So now see what happened further. She cried so much that the maids of honor, they just told everything to the queen. And what was the reaction of the queen? That I have told you. So the maids of honor, who is the maid of honor? There used to be many maids, but the main maids who used to govern others also called maid of honor. So like that only, the maid of honor wanted to go to a party, so they put just Princess September on a bed that time only, because they wanted to leave Princess September, and there then they provided some food to Princess September, and like that they left the place. While she lay in her bed crying still, even though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird hop into her room. So Princess September was continuously crying on her bed also. She was continuously missing her parrot, and suddenly what happened, that a small bird that actually entered into her room only through a window, and it just stayed there on its bed. Now further what happened, she wiped her tears and sat up. As Princess September saw that bird, she just wiped her tears and then she sat up, as she was crying continuously, lying on her bed. Then the little bird began to sing, and he sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden, and the willow tree that looked at themselves in the still water, and goldish fish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. So the bird, it started singing, and the song was so sweet. And what was the song about? The song was about the description of the beautiful garden of the king and the golden fish, those who were just swimming in the you can say river of stream of the garden. And then he was beautifully singing, and he was continuously describing that beautiful garden. So actually it was a comfort for the Princess September. So then further what happened, you come to know here. When he had finished, the princess was not crying anymore, and she quite forgot that she had no supper. Supper here means dinner. Repeating again, that was a very nice song, she said. So she was so much lost in listening the bird that she forgot that she didn't take the dinner even, and she forgot about somewhere about the parrot also. And then why? Because that song was too beautifully sung, and like that only she just forget about his parrot. Now further, the little bird gave her a bow. Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? Said the little bird. It's true that I am not so pretty to look at, but on the other hand, I have a much better voice. Princess September clapped her hands with delight, and then the little bird hopped on to the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. So as I think the bird already knew about that why Princess September was crying continuously, so the bird offered her actually a deal. And what did the bird say? The bird said that, would you like to keep me instead of your parrot, in place of your parrot? I know that I'm not that much beautiful, but yes, my voice is so good and that can comfort you. And like that kind of deal was done between Princess September and the bird. So Princess September clapped her hands out of joy. She forgot about the parrots, and then she clapped her hand, and then she was feeling her delightness. She was happy to have such a beautiful singing bird. And then the little bird hopped to the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. And as she agreed, the bird again started singing, and then she was just trying that Princess September should sleep properly. When she woke next day, the little bird was still there, and as she opened her eyes, he said, "Good morning." The maids of honor brought in her breakfast, and he ate rice out of her hand, and he had his bath in his saucer. He began to sing again so beautifully that the maid of honor was quite surprised, for they had never heard anything like that. The Princess September was very proud and happy. So next morning when Princess September, she woke up, what did she find? She found that the bird was still there and she was still singing for her. And as maids of honor, they came inside the room, what did they notice? They noticed the same bird, and they noticed one more thing, that now Princess September was quite okay. She was taking her breakfast at her own, and then she was taking bath, but the bird that was singing so beautifully that they all were so surprised to listen, because they hadn't seen such a thing ever. So this was about almost half of the chapter we had done. So almost a half of the story also you come to know. And we'll move further with this only, what happened when Princess September will show the singing bird to her sister. So this you will come to know in the next video. Better that you read this actually chapter at your own first, because of the story you should get an idea what is going on further, and then in next video we'll continue with the same story. Thank you.